welcome to the online class of Monrisha School. Myself Nasim, your EVS teacher, and today again we will do the EVS chapter number 3. So just you open your EVS book, chapter 3, page 18, and start. So now let's start our class. Okay. So see students, in previous class I have taught you up to here. Now from today we start food preservation, means how we preserve our food by uh, ex spoiling them. Okay, so we will here there are some methods from which we can preserve our food. Okay, so now let's start. When food is exposed to air and moisture, it easily gets spoiled. When food is come in contact with air and moisture, it gets spoiled. Okay, so the microbes, the air spoils the food. So the microbes which are present in air, it spoils the food. Microbes, what is microbes? The tiny microorganisms like bacteria, fungus, these are. Okay, we need to protect and preserve it. So it's very important to preserve our food and protect it. So we can follow these methods for preservation of food. So what is the first method? That is the boiling. Boiling kills the germs present in food. So what is the boiling only kills the germs present in the food, thus protecting it from being spoiled, and it protects the food for being spoiled, but it should be for short period of time. Okay, boiling preserve foods for a short period of time. We boil milk to preserve it, so we are boiling milk to preserve it. Now come to the pickling means that namkeen जिसे कहते हैं. So how we will do pickling? In pickling, the best example, amla, you know students what we are doing. Amla we are keeping na, we add oil, salt and vinegar to raw and cooked fruits. We are keeping them for a long times in a see, this is the pickles. ठीक है, we are keeping them in this container and vegetables to slower the growth of germs. So here the growth of germs will be slower. So these methods of preserving food is called pickling. Okay, so best example of pickling is the amla. Okay, now the sweetening, adding excess amount of sugar to food also acts as a preservative. Excess amount of sugar to foods also acts as preservatives. Why? Because sugar is added to make jams and jellies. You have seen that jams and jellies should be kept for a long period of time in your houses or in the shops, but it does not get spoiled. Why? Because the sugar has been added in that. So these can be stored for a long time, and these also can stored for a long time. Now the salting, like sugar, salt also acts as a preservative in some food. So like sugar, salt also acts as a preservative in some foods items. Salt is added to pickles and fish to preserve them for a long time. Salt is also added to pickles, जिसे अचार कहते हैं. तो उस means we are also adding salt in that to preserve it for a longer time. Okay, now the canning, some items like juices and jams can come in cans. You have seen that many juices and jams which are coming in the cans, so they are sealed in cans after removing moistures from them. So they are sealed in can. Okay, from there the moisture should be removed. Okay, now see, this is the dehydration and drying. So this is one of the best method for preservation of the food. See how drying is used to reduce the water content in the food. So drying is used to reduce the water content in the food. So drying helps to reduce the water from the food, since bacteria cannot grow with water. As we know that bacteria cannot grow in the water. the food does not get spoiled. So the food does not get spoiled. Food items such as raw mangoes, जिसे कच्चा आम कहते हैं, fish, tomatoes and potato chips can be preserved using this method. So chips, potato chips, you know, these potato chips we are keeping now for a long time. Due to this, how we are making the potatoes and जो पोटैटोज होते हैं उसको पोटैटो चिप्स वी आर कीपिंग देम फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम, सो इट डज नॉट गेट spoiled. Okay, so drying is one of the best method for preservation of food, because from here the water should be reduced and the foods can be stored for a long time without any without any माइक्रोब्स. ओके, उसमें किसी भी टाइप्स का माइक्रोब्स का फॉर्मेशन नहीं होता है. ओके, now this one is the come to the next page. Refrigeration and freezing. Perishable foods such as meat, fish, fruits and vegetables are preserved by freezing, as germs do not grow in cool places easily. Perishable foods means, what is the meaning of perishable? Things which can be die and decay quickly, that is called the perishable. So meat, from where the meat we are observing, from the animals, fish, fruits, so these are also preserved in a freeze, because in cool places germs cannot be found. So it is a best place for preserving the perishable food. What is the best place for perishable foods to preserve? Refrigeration and freezing. Okay, keep up to here only, students. In next class I will teach you the good food habits. Okay, keep up to here only. Now your today's homework is learn question answer of chapter 2. Thank you. Goodbye.